Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft where it says you need to authenticate to Microsoft servers. All right, just go ahead and open up whatever launcher you have and go ahead and sign out, then sign back in, then check if it helps. All right, if that will work, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in date and time right here. Once this system setting pops up, just go ahead and click on it and this one will open. All right, now in here, just go ahead and make sure that set time automatically is enabled. Now, under that, you're going to want to go to sync now, click on sync now. And after that, go ahead and try to play the game again and check if it helps. If that won't work, just go ahead and try to change your DNS server. To do so, just go ahead and go to your search bar and go to control panel, open up control panel. Now in here, maximize this one. Make sure that you are in large icons. All right, go ahead and go to a network and sharing center, click on it. Now in here, go to change adapter settings. Now go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. All right. For example, this one right here, Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, locate your Wi-Fi and double click on it and this page will load. All right. Go ahead over to properties. And here, locate TCP IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Highlight it, then go to properties. Now, in this page, if yours is set to obtain DNS server address automatically, go ahead and tick this one under that. All right, use the following DNS server addresses. All right, copy this one, which is from Google itself, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. All right, once done, just hit on OK, restart your computer, and try to launch the game again and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead and change this one to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. This is from Cloudflare. All right, a Cloudflare DNS. Just go ahead and hit on OK, close this one, and again, restart your computer. Launch the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.